Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to install Phonex OS in dual boot mode with Windows 10. Open any browser, then type google.com, then type Phonex OS, then click enter. Open the first website, download the exe file according to your operating system. I have already downloaded and I will install it now. Double click Phonex OS, select yes. Click the install button. Select the driver or partition to install Android Phonex OS. I am installing it on iDriver. Click next. Select data size for Phonex OS. Then click install. Click reboot now option. Phonex OS screen come up. Select language. Click next. Select accept. Network connection, so click next. Click next. Type a Phonex OS account name. Then click finish. After finishing the setup, thanks for watching.